And top of the morning, guys. This is Yard as is Jamaica Yard Life. Blessings. Yeah, man. Welcome. Thanks for joining. Hey, guys. Before we go any further, I want to send a special shout out to the working family. Yeah, man. All of you all out there that work with working, keep getting up, keep getting about, keep getting out there, and keep doing the right thing daily. Yeah, man. This is Yard as is Yard, man. Dream up active, and you know me already always giving thanks to life. It's a blessed Sunday morning. I trust that you all on your side, yeah, man, up and buzzing as usual. The energy is love and love alone. Yeah, man. And I want to send quite a good amount of shout out this morning. Yeah, man. To one and all. Yeah, man. Especially my subs from and friends from Guyana. Yeah, man. Welcome. I appreciate you all being a part of the Yard family. I love and love alone. So much love, that's love. So what's the matter? Yeah, man. But as time progress, you know, it's something come down. I'll fill you all in and what's popping. And I have a video coming up, guys. Today is the what 15, 16. My apologies. Yeah, man, losing track of the days. Man, I don't know what me I living at yesterday. Yeah, guys. But on the 18th of this month, yeah, man, my apologies. A bit last words, you know. Yeah, man. I'd say happy times, sad times, and time for the more time. Spend time. And you know, read a word of prayer once you jump up in the morning, you know, it's something come down. Yeah, man. Give thanks to the Most High. We have life and destined for greatness. Anyway, enough of the chit chatting. I'm gonna tell you all more about the video that's coming. Nothing too exciting, guys. You know, it's something go. Yeah, man. Just spending quality time with family and spreading that love, sharing that love. You know, the down to earth yard energy. Yeah, man. So nothing directive. A lots of love. I just can't stop. Can't help it. But saying it's love, guys. Yeah, man. As me say, I trust that you all up and active and feeling fine on your side. Yeah, man. I'm out and about. Well, I'm on the farm as usual, and I do a little bit of cleaning. So I hope that you all appreciate the SMRs. Yeah, man. Well, I'm gonna see what I'm gonna ropes up for breakfast this morning. Possibility it will be ramen noodle. As usual. Yeah, man. Come on, yard. I've just might cook the pork today, guys. Yeah, man. Because I've been cooking a lot of other stuff other than the pork. So today is Sunday. Yeah, man. One love, guys. Anyway, we're there, yeah, there, check us out. I take Anton, man. And as I said from before, appreciate all the all that pop by. Come on, yard. Such fun to see Satan lose. Ah, blessings. Yeah, man, on top of the morning. I appreciate the comment. Love and love alone, man. Yeah, guys, for those who don't know, now y'all know. Yeah, man. I'm always alone, guys. I'm always to myself. Yeah. I'm always being to myself, guys. Well, my apologies, but I'm not seeking a marriage right now. I'm too young for that. Too young for that, man. Yeah, guys. So the mindset change. Yeah, man. Mindset change, guys. I'm thinking about 2 eggs and the franks. Yeah, man, with some crackers. Just keeping it simple. YouTube, how comes these messages coming through? Be polite, man. Please do not send a certain messages. Okay? Yeah, man. Just to say, I'm about positive energy and love alone. Yeah, man. I'm not here looking for anything other than just putting out the information about out that y'all should be a little bit more, nicer. Come on, man. Spread a little love. I'm not here for that. I'm here to help my brothers and my sisters to get better. Well, do better, at least. Yeah, man. We about positive energy. I'm not looking any relationship. I'm a broke man. In Jamaica, that's equivalent to being single. Yeah, man. So can think of it that way, guys. Yeah, man. I'm broke. You don't want me. So this morning is just like any other morning, guys. I am just freestyling. Yeah, man. So this year live wasn't planned. Yeah, man. I had the idea of speaking with you all in regards to the vlog that's coming soon. Yeah, man. On the 18th. Yeah, guys. It's all come down. went to the river, and I believe that I should have done a little bit more, but I can't give y'all too much all at once. And if y'all want to get that authentic Jamaican yard life energy, you have to visit the island, whether it be you visit yard life or you visit others. Yeah, man. Once you come a yard, we appreciate the support from all y'all, and you're always welcome to go and come as you have a like. All I'm asking you all to do is just preserve the environment, take care of my island, yeah, man, and don't dirty up Jamaica. That is it. Ooh, water is up on the front sky, so it come down popping. Let me see if I can fix y'all in a different direction so y'all can see what's popping in the pot. Well, y'all ain't gonna see clearly, but can do the right way. Yeah, guys, as I always say, as time progresses, you all will get to know me a bit more. For those who don't know, and possibility I've mentioned it before in previous videos before now, yeah, man. I am a, I was brought up as a lone, well, only child, yeah, but lonely. I'm speaking bull right now, guys. But anyway, I'm an only child. So I, I am accustomed to growing up in like the scheme. So no friends, no family around, just me and mommy. Yeah, man. So I was brought up like that, guys. Well, some of my life, yeah, man. I still spend a lot of time in the countryside, and trust me, boy, I can't remember when going back to the countryside to spend time. I don't want to go back to, well, town. Yeah, man. Country life was nice, guys. Real nice. When you're in town, you don't get that much experience. When you're in the countryside, you learn a lot. How to take on fashion, how to plant, how to, be more loving and more connected to nature. Yeah, man. I can strongly remember days getting up out of my bed, brushing my teeth, eating my breakfast, well, as my grandmother always provided, and what I'd say, I'd just look into a direction, and me and my cousin would say, no, what's on the top of that mountain? Let's go explore. And we'd be gone. And we ain't going back home. We'll be feeding on fruits all day, and whatever vegetable we can get from farms around the area. And the only time we go back home is when that moment come, when they say hot lick and backside don't agree. Yeah, man. So when they say fire there must steal and think a cool breeze. So anytime you hear that holla, grandma say Shava, beaten, beaten. So all you have kids out there that don't grow up without getting your ass whooped, you're the lucky one. Trust me. My grandma was the best, guys. If you slip, you slide, and not one RC in her house, your backside gonna feel it. Well, whoops. My apologies for that, guys. Reach home part with the Franks. Guys, don't wash me now. To be honest, I like my food crispy. I like my eggs crispy. I like my franks crispy. I like my chicken crispy. Crispy all the way, guys. Crispy. So I get a little extra fry. As I said from before, I do appreciate everyone that popped by. Love and love and love, guys. And I trust that y'all up and active on your side of the world. Friends, family, loved ones, everyone doing fine. Yeah, man. It's not always a bed of roses, guys. And then, in regards to my topics, I will be here, there, and somewhere you might not understand it ever so often. But as time progresses, y'all will understand. Yeah, man. So please don't misunderstand me. You know, see my little friend is here with me. She ever pop by. Once I'm in the kitchen, she remember it. She remembers me. And this is love, guys. Love and love alone. Look at that. Hey, baby girl. Good morning. Good morning. Mom? Morning. Mom? Look here. You not look for me? Baby girl? Look here. So good morning to the Yard family. Good morning. Good. That is it. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Soon make you get something for munch, man, alright? Yeah, guys. This is my simple life. Yeah, man. And lots of love. For those who don't know, now y'all know. And as I always say, I'm a sucker for animals, guys. I love animals. This is not my cat though, it's just my neighbor. So she always come by, come look for me. Funniest thing about it, she always come by at the time when I need her the most. Come here. I say good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. You know, I say morning. Say good morning. Who that? Who for pretty face that? Who for pretty face that? Big up yourself. Need you. Soon make I get something, man. Hold on. Soon let you have some, baby girl. Just give me a few seconds. Alright? Can't make you friends, bro. Don't. Wait, me say. I said, wait. Cause how you on? This is something. Ooh la 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 la, it is such fun to see, such fun to see. And those. Yeah, I want to send a special shout out to Mommy. Yeah, man. Miss Morgan, keep getting out there. And keep doing the right thing. Love and love alone, Mom. And as I was saying, guys, I have a lot of shout out to give. Yeah, man. So, we start from here. A special shout out to Kemar Miller. Yeah, man. Trinityville native. Keep getting out there and doing the right thing, big bro. Yeah, man. Miss Mummy Monica. Blessings. Yeah, man. CD. Blessings, bro. Keep getting out there and keep doing the right thing. And let me cut it a bit short. All the community members from Somerset District, blessings. Yeah, man. Love and love alone, guys. I want to tell y'all something, Most of them folks from Somerset is very hard working, like my bro, Russian. Yeah, man. Keep getting out there and keep doing the right thing. I want to tell y'all, guys. Russian is my, first subscriber. Very first person to watch the very first footage that I have uploaded to YouTube. And when I did my first video, I uploaded it for 1 seal year, and not even my spouse watched it. Yeah, man. Well, I wouldn't say I'm not gonna bash her for that one. Back then, she had a lot to do it. Yeah, man. But Russian He's a close friend of my cousin. Yeah, man. They went to school together. I didn't know. So, living in the community, he knew me, but I didn't know him, like, at the time. And then eventually we get together, and, the rest of history from there. Lots and lots of love. Roshan is a proud dad of, I don't know how much kids he has right now, but he's a proud father of a few. Yeah, man. And he's always up and active and always working. And I want to say this much, guys. Sometimes the distance you have to walk to go to work, well, where he works, trust me, guys. I give him a cap, yeah, man. And I want to say rest in peace to my bro. Yeah, man, plastic. Love and love alone, bro. On the other side. So many shout outs, guys. So many shout outs. So many people. Miss Cherry, one love, mom. Love and love alone, man. So we're drawing close to that moment, guys. Yeah, man. We're gonna close off in a few seconds. Yeah, so I'm gonna give you all an update. Yeah, man. I'm not staying long this morning, or not staying long, but the energy come down. I top up boy and just say, tools, how to do, how y'all doing? I appreciate the love, I appreciate everyone. That is it. I don't know why, guys. There are a few cats around, and they are very wild. My little friend, she was wild at first. Yeah, man. And I keep it sometime. You're gonna see the whole family gonna come around. They're gonna be here, like, but they keep wild, differently from mom. Lots and lots of love, man. So this is the menu this morning, guys. 2 eggs, ramen. No, the ramen is on my mind, guys. See, it's live. I'm human. I'm not perfect, man. But anyway, eggs, 2 eggs, and crackers. We're keeping it simple. Hello. Thanks for joining. Thank you for passing through. I do appreciate the support. Appreciate the likes, guys. Yeah, man. And this is where we call it. One love, one heart. This is Yard as is, and we up and out. Yeah, man. Wish for you all a happy Sunday. Remember now, keep getting up, keep getting about, keep getting out here, and keep doing the right thing. One love.